Hi everybody, I'm back today to talk to you about lipstick. I am going to talk about lipstick because, let's be honest, we've all been neglecting our lipsticks because it's a little bit troublesome when you get your lipstick on your mask and you have to worry about it getting all over the place. So coincidentally, Max sent me some awesome colors and I am going to check them out with Rosa. I brought her over here again and we're going to put lipsticks on and then see which ones transfer and which ones do not. They just stay put and you don't have to worry about it. I'm calling them mask friendly. I am not going to be wearing a mask when I put the lipstick on Rosa because we have taken our temperatures and we've all been checked out and we are good to go for today. So let's see what happens. Okay, so today we're working with Film Noir, Diva. This one is Ruby Woo. These three are like the classic OGs, amazing. You can't go wrong. This one is Ladybug, which was new, and Chili, Yash, Cream Cup, and Candy Yum Yum. Which one do you want to try first? Oh, you do? You want to try the fuchsia? Awesome. So let's see what happens. I am going to put that on you. That color is called Candy Yum Yum. And I'm just going to put a little bit of powder on first because I just always do. All right, so I am just going to wiggle this brush around and put it on. I try to stay away from liner. When I really want a really finished look, I do liner, of course. In this case, I might, but it does alter the color of the lipstick sometimes. So I just try to line it if the lips need a little help with some foundation in reverse. So I would just like lay some foundation on, you know, these outer parts here to clean up the edges. But for the most part, Rose is so young and her lips are perfect. So this is super easy because we're just keeping the same shape. And you know, there is a rule to go easy on the eyes if you're going potent on the lips. You can break those rules, I don't care. I adhere to that rule personally, but there are nights when I want to go full veil. But if I wear a red lip, I usually keep the eye pretty clean. In this case, with the fuchsia, no, I don't usually wear this color. I think I have to try it now. So I don't usually blot, but I like it to be really nice and juicy lip. But in this case, I'm blotting because she's going to be wearing a mask and I don't want it to transfer. That's the whole point. So it looks great. How does it feel on you?
Good.
Good? Okay, awesome. And now I'm going to give you a mask. So go ahead and put this mask on, Rosa. And then you're going to take it off and see if it went anywhere. You can even kiss the inside of it. Go so far. Yeah, and let's see. All right, what do we got? Nothing. Awesome. So this is mask approved, I would say. Yes, Candy Yum Yum. Very good. Okay, Rosa, which one do you want to try next?
I think this one.
Yes, yay! This is my favorite. So this one is my absolute favorite. This is called Film Noir. I grew up with this color, and I remember when I couldn't afford to replace my vamp, I would always get the Film Noir. And it's a super strong look. And we will see what happens. Okay. So the Film Noir is definitely going to require a lip liner if you want it to be a complete look. And for lip liners, I recommend the KEVYN lip liners. They're excellent. Get a bunch when they're on sale and just hoard them, or use your pro discount. As you can see, the Film Noir is a super major commitment. Like the fuchsia, but like it is a look. Okay, Rosa, look at this one. Tell me what you think. It's dramatic.
Yeah.
It's so dramatic. I love it though. And so then I would do like, you know, one day we should do a total look with this lipstick. It's like super great for holiday parties, something to just make like a second look, you know?
Yeah.
So we like that one. Now go ahead and do the test. I have a feeling this one's gonna transfer. Yeah. Okay, so Film Noir did transfer. However, not too much. Wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
And I don't see it. It's basically like it blotted on you. And if you do this look, just make sure that you have lots and lots of, we cleaned her lips in between colors with some Vaseline, and so that moisturizes it and sloughs off any dead skin, but she's just got a little bit of skin that you would want to just like make sure to get completely sloughed off when you commit to a look like this. And yeah, you might want to line the lips just for an added punch. Awesome. Okay, let's do one more. Let's try red. Which red would you want to try?
This.
This one? Okay, great. You know what? That's cool because that's a new one that I don't know. Okay, now we're trying a red, and I'm just putting a little bit of concealer. I know it's yucky tasting and all that stuff, but it softens the color just a little bit so you have a nice base to work with, and it's just an old habit of mine that I love. You picked a red that I personally am not familiar with. It's called Ladybug, which is a very lucky name for me. KEVYN AUCOIN used to name people that he loved Ladybug, nicknamed them Ladybug, and Troy Surratt taught me that when we met. And so it's always been a very lucky thing when I see a ladybug. And you picked that color, so let's see how Ladybug does. Ladybug is a little sheer. It's not as strong as Diva and Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo is the OG. That was also in the box. And this one's a little bit sheer. It's slightly orange. I'm going inside Rosa's natural like lip line just a little bit because she's so young that I just, you know, I wouldn't play them up as much as I might if she was doing like a photo shoot. And I mean, I want her to be able to walk around and be a teenager with big beautiful lips, but just I might overdraw them if we were doing something more dramatic, but I'm underdrawing them just because we're doing kind of like an everyday look. But you could really, one day, Rosa, we'll do a fun overdrawn lip with these beautiful colors. You were drawn to some colors that were pretty perfect for you. Okay, take a look at Ladybug. It's nice, right?
I like that one.
So cute. It's really nice and bright. And let's see, I'm gonna get you a new mask because Film Noir got on this one.
Oh, that one transferred even more.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it is a nice, it's a really sheer color, so it's very emollient and it feels nicer, right? The other ones were a little drier. Yeah. So, okay, so this one's maybe not for the mask, maybe it's for your Zoom calls.
Yeah.
And going back to school. Awesome. Okay. Well, I think that's good for today, and I hope that you try some of these colors. I'm going to have them all up and named and listed, and you can try them anytime. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.